On Monday, I said, pretty sure there's a 60% chance this gap here gets filled to the close of that first week of June. It's really funny, it's happening right on the open today. It's a big bear trend day yesterday, but I've been having like 38.7 fevers, and Riga was just shaking uncontrollably. I just, I just couldn't fucking trade yesterday. Couldn't do it. I did actually wake up a bit later and jump on for the US session and make a few trades, but all I managed to do was lose $400 in the end. So that's my funds there. I made 2.5% on Monday, and then yesterday I lost 1.5%, or thereabouts. Yeah, I had one entry that I shorted that made me $500. Then I was trying to take a reversal in the end, and that lost me some money. And then I donated that back to the Nasdaq, and yeah, then I made a couple more donations to the Nasdaq, and I was like, yeah, I don't think I should. I think it was a mistake to get on the computer anyway. I thought I'd just show up just to watch, even if nothing else. I thought it was gonna go here at least, but maybe even lower. Fuck, how could I not position myself for this sell-off yesterday? Oh well, more opportunities ahead, I'm sure. Ah, I think I might have the worst flu I've ever had in my life. This flu. I don't ever remember shaking this much when I had fevers. It was rigors as opposed to shivering. Really violent shaking. Severe shivering and feeling intensely cold. Rapid rise in body temperature, often associated with a serious infection or medical conditions. Yep. I had a fucking flu, so yeah, I had rigors. I just checked my temperature just before, it was still 38.7. Yeah, joke. Market sold off a fair bit more in the in the US Open, US session. So it's gapped down again. It was gapped down yesterday. Huge gap down. I think it's like 1.5%. Oh my god, it's 2.3% lower than yesterday's close. What the fuck? What is going on here? What is happening? Something big is happening in the market. Some serious profit taking from longs, I think. They make a bear channel, maybe? I don't know. I don't think for the second day in a row seems really bearish because it's really far below the moving average. I think you need really freshness to sell there because it's so far below average price. You're getting a really bad price essentially for your short. Yep. Yeah, reversal bar potentially on the 5 minute. I feel like I should have just bought that bar the close of it. Right at the open. Come on. Just need a... Fuck. I just knew it was coming. Because so far below the moving average. You don't need a very good buy signal to just buy. Fuck's sake. Look at how fucking huge this buy is now. How can I trade that? God damn it. Oh my god. Oh, this is so fucking sad. I'm so sad not being on board in this trend. I had a fucking huge rally, man. I'm just gonna buy this tiny pullback here. See what happens. Should have been long down here. Above bar 2, fuck's sake. I think the risk is really big, but I think that the probability is high that it goes a little bit higher now. Above the high of the day. Bar 2 is a really good buy signal bar. Maybe I've FOMO'd a little bit here into something. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. Just gonna pause my microphone. I was just trying to buy a breakout here, but now it looked good 2-3 minutes ago, but now not so good. I was trying to buy an opening breakout. I thought there'd be a lot of buyers potentially trying to buy it very far from the moving average for some kind of retracement back to the moving average. But yeah, I have $1 a point on. I'm already losing 200 points. It's a special for me. My special talent is buying right at the highs, usually. That is my special talent. So, bar 1, bear bar, bar 2, big bull bar, bar 3, huge tail on top. I don't know. It may want to go a little bit lower. Yeah. But I said to myself, I thought the probability is pretty high that it goes a little bit higher at least. Could be wrong. We'll see. Because of this huge spike. It makes your risk huge, but I think it makes the probability higher that it's gonna go more up. See how this one works out though. May not. Come on. Come on, Japanese people. The Nikkei is on discount. It's sold off 2 days. The Nikkei is on discount, mate. Go. Let's go. Position. Sort of figuring I should probably add at some point when it makes sense to not have too much risk on, because I've already got 2% risk on, even just trading $1 a point. So fucking, it's not easy. Huge stop required. Fucking hell, fucking 600 points. I don't know if that's good for me, man. Probably bad for me. 2% risk. I feel like I want to buy the close of this bar on the 15-minute chart. There's a decent chance it gets some follow through. Just double my position, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. We'll see what it prints. My idea is that the market's very far from the moving average, so that I don't need really amazing buy signals to try to get long, but sort of bought right at the high, didn't I? Yeah, I did. And I'm gonna buy one more. Come on, let's go. Fuck, I have a lot of risk on now. I'm gonna have to probably do something about that. It starts to fall against me. So I bought the close of bar 1 on the 15-minute chart, which is not a really amazing buy signal bar. But my thinking again is that I probably don't need to get an excellent buy signal. I need above average bearishness if I'm going to sell so far. Gap down. But I don't think I need above average bullishness to buy a reversal. If I'm thinking that it may want to retrace. The 2-minute chart, it doesn't look that great at the moment. A bear bar now on the 5-minute. A small one. You could say 2 large bull bars and a small bear bar. I would have thought that that is a low probability short selling that bar. So maybe it's good that I'm doing the opposite. Yeah. Might just have to accept at some point that I'm losing and that I need to probably get out now. I'm ready to sell my position on the other screen. Yeah. Not great, not now. It's really not good. I really hope the Bulls are strong to get something going here, but they're just not doing it, fuck's sake. Yeah, they're just not doing it. I hope I can just see how this 15-minute bar closes. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. But it could do. This fucking bear bar here, man. Sucks. Fucking sucks, this bar. Come on, you dumb dogs. No. Decent bear close. have to get out at this point and just accept that I'm wrong. Maybe. It's like pulled back 50% into the body of the reversal bar. Hope there are some limit order bulls there trying to buy it. Maybe stepping in a little bit. I really thought this rally was strong enough for another leg up, but may not be good. I'm liking this bar so far. The thing is, 2 bear bars a sell signal. Maybe a bear trap right now being activated. The bull's pouncing on the bears now, trying to trap them. Come on, you dumb dogs. Let's go. That went above prior bar high. But no new high yet of the day. Maybe sellers coming in now above prior bar high. Trying to short more. Come on, let me be right about this one time. One time, baby. Just want my idea to work out one time of the retracement to the moving average. Some kind of rally off the open, but it's not happening quickly, is it? I was hoping it's going to be really explosive up after this rally. I really need to see a bull bar after this one. A bull bar follow through. I cannot see another bear bar. I see another bear bar that I'm just fucking wrong about this idea in completely. Come on, guns. I think they call it real risk. How far the market moves against you in your position. My real risk was very high on this position. It retraced about $800 against me. So I'm feeling like the market just gave me a gift, essentially, to get out with a small profit. But I sort of suffered, I think, through the worst of it. Makes me want to hold for more. That's what I want emotionally, but whether that's the right thing to do technically is another question, is another matter. You dumb dogs. Go to yesterday's low or something. Just a little bit more. Um, just ticked above the high of the day now. New high of the day. I'm wondering if this is potentially a sign for bears, a warning for bears. And then they start liquidating their short positions if they did short something. So the market had 2 days of down, really big downward momentum, selling pressure. Dipped into this bar here, the gap fill. What gives me some confidence, more confidence, is that this bar that looked really bearish at one point and was like, oh my god, should I be short, is now turning up and printing a huge, huge bull bar that's trading near its high. Has about 3 minutes to go, so I'll see how it closes, but it's printing a really huge bull bar now. I do have about 2% in profit now, which is good for me. It varies so much because the market moves so many points so quickly. It's like a Formula One car, the Nikkei. A Formula One car. Or maybe a, what's the American one? Indy car. I think I do need to do something about my stops now. This could be a huge mistake, but I'm going to put them at break even now. And just hope for the best here. So net break even, both stops. And just hope it just fucking keeps going. I'm also tempted just to take profit. I'm seeing about 2% profit. Just on the close of this bar. Because it could start reversing down immediately as the bar closes. Oh, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm going to take profit here. Got about $700 of profit there. Oh, that was a freaking difficult trade to be in. Oh my god. I bought the exact high. Then I added. And I sort of added. What a small pullback. This is what I often see. Not sure if it's going to happen here because this is so bullish now, but I had my stops at break even, which could be a, probably would have gotten stopped out if it starts pulling back now. But I often see this when something really bullish, explosive, and climactic happens. The next bar on the 15-minute chart ticks above it and then sells off immediately. I'm always paying attention to these other time frames. And I'm thinking like, oh, maybe I should just take profit there, and then if it pulls back, I might have more opportunities to buy later. but I don't want to give away $600, $700 of profit. So yeah, if it pulls back a little bit more. Oh, I'm gonna have a break now. Just pause the recording because I'm starting to sweat from my fever. Just gonna go get some fresh air. Hello. Just come back after sitting outside a little bit to get some fresh air. I'm really not feeling great today. Sick. So I think I read the situation properly. Here, the big pullback after I took profit. This 15-minute bar here doing something which I see so often after such a strong close. Excuse me. Going above and then pulling back really deeply. Trapping bulls long. And then a big rally again. So now the market trading at the high of the day again. So it's really, I think I had the right idea here, trying to be long, looking for any reason to be long, but my execution was kind of poor. However, I think if from the Al Brooks trading course, he's like, if you see something that's like really explosive, yeah, the risk is really big, but the probability is high that it's going to go a little bit further. And yeah, the risk was like 600 points. The probability is high that you get a little push higher, even if it pulls back. If it's a bull trend, the thing is, like, if you look at a bull trend, even if you buy at the high of the day, this bull trend, if you bought up here and this happened, you're still okay, because it's a bull trend. It's a high probability trade. Just keep buying. So that's what I was kind of hoping for a bit more explosive, though. Maybe I was hoping for too much. But I think I was right to take a bit of profit there. And then I can buy more on a pullback, I suppose. Here's yesterday's low. I think this is going a lot higher now, potentially. Because there's like three 15-minute bars that are bullish now. There's really nothing to sell for the bears, nothing to sell. Look at the 10-minute chart. There was a bar here, which was an inside bar, which is not a good buy signal bar. So it kind of makes sense that the market shot above it, and then it came back to test the range of that bad buy signal bar. So it came back here to test the range of this bad buy signal bar on the 5-minute chart, and more buyers stepped in, which is good. Yeah, that's good. And I think this is another buy signal here. This bar here, strong bull bar. I think this could potentially go a lot higher. A lot. Could be an all-day bull trend, I don't know, but the strength of these sell-offs are pretty strong. I'll probably come up here, something, pull back, and then maybe a trading range, and then go higher. Because yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, the first hour all of a sudden looks really bullish. Be interesting to see how it closes in 15 minutes. Maybe it closes something disappointing with a big tail on top, closing down here or something. Or maybe it closes a huge bull bar on its high, like at yesterday's close or something. Maybe it just does a huge climactic push up think I'm not quite thinking all that clearly right now, because I ended up risking far more than what I should have, on this trade. I ended up risking like 600 on the first position and another like 400 or 500. So I was risking way too much on this position for my $30,000 account. So I was trading at $1 a point. It's like almost a minimum, really. Um, but I was a little bit deceived by the size of the stop. So just maybe just not thinking clearly, being sick and all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done actually for now. Just gonna. That's my account right now. So started with 30k this week and about 31 now. So given that I've been feeling really sick, I don't hate it. I think it's fine. I'd love to have been able to take advantage of yesterday's bear trend, but just couldn't do it, man. All I managed to do was make one little winning trade, and then I just kept donating money to the market. It was really fucking annoying. So annoying that when you look at it on the 15-minute chart, it's so clear. Like, bulls are getting trapped above prior bar high every single time. They got trapped above this bull bar. They got trapped above this bull bar. They got trapped above these bars here. They just keep getting trapped. They got trapped here. They got trapped right here before this leg down. They just kept getting trapped all day, the bulls. It seems so clear afterwards, but I just couldn't take advantage of it, unfortunately. Really sad. Yeah. 3 consecutive bull bars on the chart on the 15-minute now. Nothing to sell. Literally nothing for the bears to sell here. The market's just going up. Right now. Maybe in 5 minutes it has a big bear bar down here. But right now there's nothing to sell. Just buy pullbacks, I think. Yeah. Still very glad I took profit here. Because I didn't want to sit through another big pullback. No way. So my opening price for one entry was 464, and the other one was 484, or 584. That was my average price, 474. Wait. Yeah, this really fucked me up, this entry here. Oh man. Just goes higher now. Just keeps going higher. Probably go to close of yesterday. I don't care. I really don't care right now. Yeah, look, the institutions are just buying. They're not fucking around at all. They're just buying and buying higher, buying above things, buying below things, buying small pullbacks. They're buying everywhere. They're just buying. uh, I'm not well. I need to go rest again.